Are you ready for today's cold plunge?
Yeah, I think I am. Yeah, I'm ready. You look very handsome.
We're Daniella and Jalen, and we've been traveling North America full-time for over a year now in our self-converted dream home on wheels, Grumpy the school bus. On this channel, we take you along the journey with us and our 3 cats, so be sure to hop on the bus for breathtaking views, incredible eats, and all the wonderful people we meet along the way. This is day 1 of cold plunging every day for a week, and the sun is shining, so I'm not too worried about today. How you feeling?
You know, I think some days are definitely harder than others. We've been doing this quite a bit over the summer, and it kind of has become just part of my afternoon, like refreshing, getting off work, and just like completely resetting after stressful calls or whatever else that's been going on through the day. Kind of just like a nice little, okay, this is all you're gonna think about.
I definitely think doing this once we get off work is a great distinguisher between the work day and now your evening to reset and relax.
Yeah.
Let's do day 1 in the
Officially,
Blue River, Colorado.
Day 1, Blue River.
This is totally a side note from the video, but look how beautiful our spot is here. We have been blessed with a great river spot yet again, and we'll be posted up here all week taking cold plunges. Oh, I just busted my ass. Getting down is a little precarious, I must say.
Was there more of the song? I feel like probably not. Are y'all ready for this? I feel like Daniella and I both have completely different like coaching methods, so to speak, for when we do this with other people. And I'm always the one that's like hyping them up. I'm like, tell yourself you're strong. Tell yourself you're beautiful. And Daniella's like, scream. And I'm like, don't scream, just breathe. But, you know, whatever works for you. This spot might be a little bit colder than yesterday just because it is completely in the shade. But I think it'll be better than yesterday for some reasons, though. It looks a little bit slower, and I feel like a news reporter. So we're telling you about how beautiful it is. It's 70 degrees. Oh my goodness. We really need to get a thermometer so we can actually do this and then see what the temperature of it was and see how low we can actually find one. But we've never done an ice bath, but I think I'm ready.
You're never really ready.
Oh,
You just
man.
gotta do it.
Oh my God.
Like anything in life. All right, let's go in.
Come on.
Okay, I'm nervous to drop this.
Ah, you're good.
I hope I don't drop you. You guys, talking to a microphone like in your hand like this feels so different than talking to a mic attached to the camera. I can't even explain.
I actually don't know where to sit.
Part of the challenge is finding a good spot where you can actually be submerged. Oh, he's going in and.
Oh.
Oh, crap.
All right, now we're gonna take 10 deep breaths, so breathe with us on this one. It feels like Dora the Explorer. We're going in the river, not around.
Not really in. Here, hold this. As you stuck your hand in, it was finally dry.
Man, oh man. There's like moments when you feel like you have to get out. You like right now, or like, I don't know, something bad will happen, you know?
You're gonna die.
Like,
You're gonna freeze to death.
but then part of you says like, keep going. And that's when you, if you can get past that a couple times, I feel like you're good. Like you can stay in for like 10 minutes straight if you can get past it just a couple times. Day one's not so bad. We'll try to go a little bit earlier tomorrow so we can get some sunlight.
I'm finally in and took a while.
It's weird. I feel like I'm just laying down, literally. I am.
It'll be cool to be taking these videos because we'll get to see how long we were actually in for, and then we can tell you different times for different days. Maybe some days we felt stronger, maybe some days were warmer or the sun was out versus it was cloudy. So it'll just be really cool to track all the differences between the days throughout the week.
So we kind of started this while we were with our little caravan. We met up with some people on July 3rd and kind of stayed with them for a few days and like really didn't want to leave.
We stayed with them for 2 weeks.
Yeah. We like moved to another spot. We were closer to the river, the Arkansas River. And that's where this really began, was just like getting everyone in, and it was so much fun to like have a group of people to do this with.
We're talking about all you guys watching. We know you support us. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
I would say though, where this really began was when we hit the road last year. We have made it a point to get in almost, if not every, body of water that we travel across, no matter how cold, even if it's the Colorado in January. And while we weren't doing it as consistently as we have the past 2 weeks, I think that's really where it started for us with cold water exposure.
It definitely, for me, although I love my caffeine and will still have caffeine after a cold plunge, it does give you a certain stimulation.
And you have to think, like, we're in Colorado right now, and so places like this, places like Vermont, and I'm sure a lot of other places, this is freshly melted snow, so it does get pretty cold. It doesn't feel crazy right now, I have to say. I'm actually super comfortable. I do have some goosebumps going on, but I don't feel them. I notice them.
No, I don't think I have goosebumps at all right now. Maybe a little. Day one complete. Oh my god. Okay. Come here, baby boy.
Hi, boo-boo. Woo.
Shit, don't touch him. You're wet. What do you have to say, boo boo? What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, okay. Okay. Mommy's good, your ass.
My smooches. Oh, wow, pretty girl. I am feeling pretty beat today. You know, it's just one of those days where you're tired, and the idea of getting in a cold body of water right now honestly sounds horrible. Work has been absolutely draining, and all I want to do right now is lay in the hammock. I could stay in here forever, but no. It's day 2 of cold plunging every day, and I can already tell this is going to be a tough one. You know, it's one of those days when Jalen brings the comforter all the way up here to work. Are you ready for today's cold plunge?
Yeah, I think I am. Yeah, I'm ready. I definitely am more excited than yesterday just because it's a little bit sunnier outside right now, so we'll actually be in the heat while we're in the cold plunge. So a little bit of cheating, but I'm excited. Go do your thing.
Oh yeah, is that
Go
right?
enjoy a nice cold plunge.
Oh, okay. See you later.
No, I'm in. I don't think it got you there yesterday. This is not allowing us to like calm down and relax. I feel like we need to find a spot where there's not a lot of current.
I swallowed water. So now I'm a little nervous. I wish these mics were waterproof because it would make videos like this a lot easier. I also wish that the sun would shine in this little cave that we're in.
Close, so close. We're right next to it.
Sun is just a little too far out. It would get taken by the current. Definitely was difficult to commit to getting in today, but it feels great. And something that I've noticed, which I don't know if it's attributed to the cold plunge yet or not, but I've been sleeping really great and I've been tired relatively early.
I think they call that the word when you get too cold, hypothermic.
Hypothermic?
Yeah.
No, I'm not hypothermic. I'm talking about at night. By the end of the day, I feel so complete and I feel ready for bed and I feel like I sleep really well. And I don't have to stay up really late to feel accomplished with the day. And I wonder if these cold plunges, Jalen's just flopping around like a little kid.
Like the whole time you've been talking, I'm over here like...
I'm wondering if the cold plunges have really been setting my evening up in a positive way. I feel very motivated to do yoga after dinner and yeah, spend some more time outside. But that could also be because we work inside all day. So
Yeah.
this feels really, really nice to get the opportunity to do.
The perfect balance.
Yeah. Let's take a moment to just breathe and listen to the sounds of the river. I said this earlier, but Jalen was trying to get a drone shot for us, but we didn't have enough battery.
I looked up into the sky where I put it, and it just wasn't there anymore. And I was like looking around, I was like, did it try to land like back where I took off from, which would have been the shore? No, it is literally, I wonder if it might even be on the camera.
It's not, it was too far away.
But it literally was like a foot above the water, just like sitting there about to return home, quote unquote.
Quote unquote.
We just saw some people pass by and they had a paddle board, and I guess they just take the fence off and ride the rapids. And I want to go. Let's do it. Are you down?
I'm nervous.
I think that's a yes. Whether you're doing it to get a rush of dopamine, to feel relaxed, or just do something you haven't before, cold plunging will always meet you where you need it most. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to comment and we'll get back to you promptly. Thanks for all the support from our rig to yours, and for more content like this, remember to like and subscribe.